Okay, so we're back, and I guess what I'm gonna start off with is unloosening these four bolts. What's that? Unloosening these four bolts. First, I had to find the right socket, and it looks like it is a 1/2 inch. So, yeah, let's get to it. So, let's untighten these four bolts. Let me sit on this thing and keep it steady for y'all. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but yeah, get the picture. I'm gonna just do one. You know, didn't take much at all. Okay, yeah. And now I'm gonna just do all four. So stay tuned. Okay, so I took them all out. They're all loose. So I'm gonna take these bolts out one by one. Set them up here on my handy dandy table. I just was able to make one screw, two screws. Make sure you keep up with the screws, people. Because, boy, sometimes it's hard. You lose the right screw, it'll be so hard for you to find it. But let me take this last one out and get back with you. All right, so all the screws are out now. And I thought it was going to move, but, oh, there it goes. Let's take this little top part off. Sit it there. And the next thing I'm going to take off is, I guess I got to take these off. Yep, so I'm going to take the little power switch and the light and the horn and stuff. And get back with you. Stay tuned. Alright, I done took the controls off. Trying to wiggle them off here so I don't have to open them all the way up, but I think I can do it. So I'm gonna wiggle them off and see if I can wiggle them back on, because they're all loose. So I replaced the original bars. I just put this bracket on. I'm about to tighten it up. I sprayed a little WD on. I'm gonna put these up after I tighten this up and get them looking the way they're supposed to look. But to me, that's how it looks better, because they were already raised. These are the other ones. As you can tell, these are not. I mean, I did like, that it was high. It has a high bend, but I just know that these things were not what was supposed to be on this thing. You know what I mean? These are like pit bike, like almost like bicycles, but to me. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Stay tuned.